Did you know? Lost cozy things always hum softly in the rain. Hum, hum, hum. A bright yellow wool button floats in a wet puddle. It hates the dark drawer. It wants to feel the happy splashes. Pip hears the little button song. "Let me help you," says Pip. Tip-tap, tip-tap. Pip presses the button onto a sleeping yellow dandelion. But the flower is too ticklish. "Achoo!" sneezes the flower. Pip sees a warm yellow window in the puddle. It looks like a perfect match. Splish-splash, splish-splash. Pip presses the button onto the wet reflection. Water flies everywhere. Cold, whispers the button. Pip stops walking. He sits down quietly in the soft, cool rain. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Pip does not guess anymore. He listens closely to the button's warm, tiny wiggles. The button guides Pip to a cold little field mouse. The mouse has a torn pocket. Snug, 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 snug. The button slips right inside. It hums a warm, golden song to keep them both cozy. The end. Tilde, 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 tilde.